the reverse.
This YouTube material, man. Wait, I gotta zoom into the brown guy. Brown guy.
Sifu, gonna turn.
He was watching.
Turn.
Oh, the brown guy.
Ah!
Yo, the brown guy is yelling at the Asian guys. No, yo, brown guy, back off.
Yo, man, you're surrounded by Asians.
Yo,
Back up.
Yo, how do you
Okay,
Chinese
I'm
people? Yo, can. Why is all the hello? Oh my goodness.
Oh, look coming behind him. I know.
Sergeant, hello. Yo, come on, Mr. Brown guy.
Yo, should we block the cars? Do you have to turn out?
Can we just go around? Let's go around. Look at them. Can we just go around? Oh, look at Sifu. Look at Sifu. CTV. Yo, CTV reporter. No, where are we going? No, but Sifu is on the.
Yo, walk inside here. CTV news.
I got
everywhere.
COKTV.
It's on City. It's on City TV.
What? Yeah. Yo, COKTV.
Yo, I have it live.
I have a camera
footage.
too.
Oh, you have a camera too. Oh.
Look at Chen Yin. Yo, look at Chen Yin, so excited. The guy's so excited. Why are you so excited? Yo, Sifu 係幫咗啲中國人講道理。I saw it happen. Can't try. I saw it happen. Yo,點解？Yo, why Sifu there, man? Sifu 講道理yo. Help me tie Sifu up.
We just saw what happened.
I know. Oh, squeeze.
Oh.
You see from our angle, you see the cars going over the whole curve. Oh my god.
Oh, so the car just got owned.
Yeah, no, I saw, yeah.
Squished this. Oh shit.
I'm gonna write you a check, alright?
Sifu, Sammy Chang, the reporter, reporting live at Midland and Suicide.
Suicide Boulevard. Next to Akon, okay?
Stop here.